Facebook room. Facebook room is a feature where you can talk more than 50 people together in a video conference like classes or something else. If you use Zoom app, it will be one kind of best example for you. So right now I'm going to show you how you can create this Facebook room. You can find here there is create room, so just click on it. Next you'll find here such kind of interface, and first of all you will see here there is room activity. So click on room activity. Next you will find here there is this room is going to be activate. What kind of room you are going to activate? That is for hangout, for here all day, for trying rooms, and on this way. And you can see any kind of such as TV time, and you're gonna talk about TV time or such kind of thing. And you can share your TV time with your friends, those who are going to join. And if you don't choose anything here, so you can create something new. So you can find here new option, so just you can click and you can add anything. So I don't want to click anything new, I use this Hammad room. And next click on save. Right now your room is going to be saved. And next, who is invited, with whom you want to share this room. So just select this one. You can find number one is friends. That is, you can share this room with your friends. So if you want to share this room with your friend, next you can select and save. But if you don't want to talk with your friends or don't want to share this room with your friends, so you can select the specific people. That is, when you select the specific people, and you can share that is linked, such as this invite and invited. This link gone to the people. And next click on save. Now you will find here that is start now. So if you want to start now your room, so you can click on start now. Next you can save here this time, date, and when you can start. Next click on save and click on next. Right now your room is started, and this is the most important here. That is, if you want to share your link on your WhatsApp or another social media, you can share this link just copying. So just tap on here. So after copying you can share anywhere. Next you can share also, if you want to share on your Facebook directly, you can click on share option. That is, you can share that is your room directly. After just click on post, and you can post also here. So I'm gonna back it. And next one is that how to end. Suppose your room is finished, you don't wanna talk or don't wanna make conversation, you want to finish it. So just you will find here that is end room. You'll see here that is so click on end room. You will see here that is your room is finished. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better, and see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and please like this video and press the bell icon. Goodbye.